Hello guys, this is my 4 utility knives. That is the throwaway type. And this one is the new one. And this is the one that I thought is Stanley, but it's a Richland. So let's do a total makeup on this one. And put the new blade on so that it look brand new again. Okay, there you can see it's a Richland. Not sure where it came from. Probably England. Okay, maybe it will say inside Canada. Made in Canada. Oh, that's good. There you can see. Okay, let me clean it up 100% and choose a color. That will be nice. I'll bring you back. Okay, it's now nice and clean, and let me show you the paint I want to use on it. Okay guys, I go for a metallic red. I think it will look very good, and I'm somewhat bored today because it's raining outside, and I can't do anything outside, and I'm waiting to make a barbecue later. So in the meantime, we refurbish this knife. Okay, it's a little bit cold, so I'm going to heat this up a little bit, as well as the knife. Okay guys, let's give it a shot. Okay, so I'll give it a few layers and bring you back. Okay guys, I think it's now time for a nice clear lacquer layer on, and then we can reveal how it looks. Turn it around. Okay guys, I think it will look very good. Just give it time to dry and see if we can see the glitter at the end. Okay guys, I think it's time to assemble it. And what I want to mention, it's not a Richland, it's a Richard knife. So let me just see where the blade must fit. I think it's on this side. Was this one? Somewhere must be an indent. There it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's put it like that. And then something like this. And then I will use my screwdriver that I also refurbished a while ago. Okay, let's see. And I think my best guess is, guys, this is must be about in the region of 40 years old, because I get it from my toolbox from my father-in-law with old tools and stuff. So it must be really something like 40 years old. He is now 85, 86. So I have now that yellow new one and the others that I also cleaned up a little bit. So maybe I will put this one on display with my other antiques or vintage tools. So I think this really looks good. Came out very nice. So let's put them here all together. Okay guys, hope you like this restoration. And I've got a metal, a grey metallic metal paint that I could maybe use rather than the red, but I will remember that in the future. So okay guys, see you on the next project, and see you my friends, bye bye.